So this one is for future, maybe like if you could propose a follow-up or extended version of this workshop, what additional topics or skill would you like to explore?
Two things. So one thing is in terms of the platform, in terms of the platform or the system. So I think that we need somehow that relevant plug-in enough, relevant and plug-in, right, for the various course subject or because every course they need different kind of tools, digital tools. So that's why we need to consider this. Every country, our members should come up with some standard tool, so that they can use
standard tools.
Yes, standard tool for the system.
I see.
So, for example, if European they have they embedded AI into the system.
Yes.
So our institution also need to have it the same, right? Should be the same level, not different ones. Otherwise, when students taking the course from other university, they will find a different thing to access to the system.
True.
So that one is one thing. And another thing, so in terms of the skill, we need somehow not just theory and lecture. Now we come to the lecture, the theory, right? Mostly. So we need some kind of practical
hands-on.
So and then we put something on the board and design together. So because a lot of people they don't know how to do it.
I think we did try that in
Cambodia,
right?
But that one is very few, very small. Some of the practical hand-on is not completed because they cannot access to the system.
True.
The back end.
We had problems.
A lot of activity are skipped because of they cannot do it.
True.
Online.
Very bad.
So that's one thing I think that will be, and the follow workshop should be continue and training should be continue. I think.
Right. Okay. Then we can benefit from this, and also the sustainability of the project is going to be maintained.
I
really agree with him. You agree with him.
So we need to have a common plug-in
integrated
in our system. DXC system.
In the system. Our DXC system.
So we need that. At least AI and also the Turnitin or some kind of detecting
plagiarism and all. Okay.
For the skill need, right? The skill need should be hard skill because we found the problem when as I mentioned, video upload, right? We don't know how to design the content of the video, the step, how to design the video that related to the chapter that we handle, right? We don't know which one should be suitable and can make the student attractive and understanding and can be suitable. And the second will be come up with how to construct the framework. We just learn from theoretical, but we don't know how to construct
framework
of the we try to develop the curriculum. We try to develop the study path, right? This
pathway.
How do we construct step by step?
We need the details of that
because we have to capture anything from the general view to the specific view, right?
Right.
This one can be. Then we learn from the general views, and we don't know how to
specific the details
into the specific one. This one.
Right.
And the last thing should be come up with the more lecturers. Today we have only one lecturer entire the workshop, right? And some only share experience as well. When we have the video creating, we should have the director for video creating, and then we have responsibility.
More
That more particular
more
lecturers.
right, more specific
Yeah.
lecturers who has maybe
For
hands-on.
conduct the hands-on.
hands-on. Okay.
For me,
Right.
I would like to request training like content development.
Content.
Yeah, so maybe we can study. We can get the data from the student. So we will feel what the student requirement and create the online content. We can use tool like Articulate Write or Adapt Captivate, or can use AI tool to fill the requirement. Maybe some student after assessment we know what they are not good at,
Okay.
and then we can design to meet the requirement of the student. Yeah, but we will use the tool, AI tool or adaptive tool to make a student feel like very interesting to learn by that.
I think it's going back similar to what you have said.
I think that at the university, I'm not sure whether Cambodia has they call we have the team, right? Development team, so that they can help professor or lecturer to design the courses and sort of thing. That's kind of thing we need some kind of special training for that. So for what he mentioned about the content development training, that could including the design, right? And then they have some media, and then some recording, editing. Like that. So using different tools.
Different.
Make it more interactive.
Make it more interactive.
Yeah.
Content. Okay.
So to have a better or the good quality of online content, we need their teamwork to have
Different things
to build, to cooperate.
to come up with something
Yeah.
for students.
And for me, I think we know about LD model, we know about
SAM.
model, we know about Gamify, but only theory, but how to
put
make
it into
concrete
concrete,
than
example.
than theory.
Yeah.